This topic is on patterns and graphs. Two things that I will show it to you. Okay, please focus and see the difference between how to get the equations from the given graph, one, and the second part will be how to draw the graphs from the given equation. So this is, you are given the graph, get the equation. This is, you are given the equation, you are getting the graph. So this is here. So X-intercept, I'll say, is where it's cutting the Y line, the X line. So X-intercept is where it's cutting the X line, which is -2, which is say -2, 0. Y-intercept is 8. Okay, 0, 8. Gradient is rise over run. So take the lower point. There are 2 points. Take the lower of these 2 points. So rise is 8. And you are running to the right hand side. So it's +2. So my gradient is 4. Here, X-intercept, you can say, is -6. Y-intercept is -2. Rise, again, the lower point is, these are the 2 points. Lower points is -2. So rise, if from here to here is -2, so this rise is 2. Rise is 2. And you are running left, which is -6. Okay, so this is -1/3. So this is there. Look at this one. 2 points here. This is the lower point, there's the higher point. X-intercept, okay, you can say 3. Y-intercept equals 12. Okay, this could be 3, 0. This is 0, 12. Gradient, rise over run. Rise is 12. Remember, guys, rise will always be positive. Over, then you are moving left. So this is -3. Not 3, but -3. So this is -4 is my -4 is my gradient. Okay. So rise over run. See, this is rise over run. So rise is 2, running 4. So my gradient is 2/4. So basically, these were my X-intercept, Y-intercept, gradient, and equation. How to put the equation down? Y is equals to mx plus c is the general formula. Y is equals to mx plus c. Y is equals to mx plus c. This general formula will be given to you. Okay, if you watch this video, you can do that within seconds using rise over run method. Y and x, they are constant, they will remain same. Y, x will be there. Y, x will be there, constant. What's my m? For this, m is 4. So for this graph is 4x. C is the y-intercept. So what's my y-intercept here? 8. So +8. That's my equation. My gradient over here is -1/3. -1/3 x plus, I can say, what's my y-intercept is -2. So -2. I can even say -1/3 x plus -2. So this is the equation. Y equals to -1/3 x -2. Last one. Y equals to mx plus c. M is the gradient. M is -4 here. 12 divided by -3. Okay. Again, rise over run. Watch for that run. It's moving to the left. So this -4 plus c. C is the y-intercept, which is 12. So +12. Okay. So guys, this is from the graphs, and you are deriving to the equation. Sweet. Okay. I'll pause for a bit. So get the gradient. To get the equation, you need to get the gradient first. and x in the y-intercept. You know if the line cuts the x line, and just at what number does it crosses the x line, that's the x-intercept. The number that crosses the y line, that's the y-intercept. Now, guys, for the first time, we are doing the equations. From the given equations, we are drawing the graph. Okay, so let's watch our y-intercept. What's my y-intercept? Okay, it's 4. So my y-intercept is 4. This is my y line. That's my y line. That's my y line. That's my y line. This is my x line, x line, x line, x line. Okay. So the y line, whatever the y number is, you just place it. Whatever to locate the y-intercept, whatever the number is, so 4 is there. This is minus 4. I don't need to draw this. Okay, so this is minus 4. That's my y-intercept. Y-intercept. This is minus 4. That's my y-intercept. 4. That's my y-intercept. Last number is the y-intercept. Clear? So now, to draw the graph, we need the y-intercept and the x. We have found the y. Let's find the x. So, ladies and gentlemen, to find the x-intercept, we do, if it is in this format, with most of the time, generally in year 10, you'll get in that format, y equals to mx plus c format. We do 4 divided by 2. What's to find x-intercept? 4 divided by 2 is 2. And after that, just add a negative. It is a positive number, add a negative, which is negative 2. We got the two points. Let's show graph. X-intercept here. We got the y-intercept, which was minus 4. Now what do? We do the last number here, negative 4 divided by 2. Gives me negative 2. What do? Switch. Make it positive 2. So if it was 2, switch it to negative 2. If it is negative 2, switch it to 2. So 2 is here. That's your graph. In the exam, if the proper graph is given, you can label where 2 falls. If not, just draw like that. So 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. This is your x, as this is a y-intercept. So what's the x-intercept? Negative 4 divided by negative 2. Can you see negative 4 divided by negative 2 gives me 2. Then I switch, which is negative 2. So negative 1, negative 2. So this is my graph of that. Cool. Next one here, the y-intercept is 4. Then 4 divided by negative 2. 4 divided by negative 2, which is negative 2, and we switch, becomes 2. 2 will be 0, 1, 2 here. Simple.